Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to fix apps which constantly crash. So I believe we have to start with the force stop option, because sometimes basically the app is running in the background even though you cannot see it and it interferes. So let's begin with tapping on the settings, and here in this left section scroll and find apps. Then let's go to app management and find the app which constantly crashes. So first of all, I highly recommend to go to storage usage and clear cache. Right here, basically we will simply remove some junk files which are not necessary and also might interfere, and then tap on force stop. Tap on force stop, and after that try to open the app again. Hopefully it will be enough and the app will work perfectly fine. If not, you can also try to update the app. So let's go to the Play Store. Be aware because you need the internet connection obviously, and you also need to be logged into the Google account. You can do it right after entering the Play Store, or you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it on your own. Then after logging, let's go to search. And here simply enter the name of the app which you want to manage, let's say. Here we've got the Chrome which is installed on this device, and that's why we've got this update option. So just tap on update, and now you have to wait until your device will basically download the update and install it. After that, you can try to open Google Chrome. If it is not working, then you can also try to uninstall it, just like that. And after the full process of uninstalling everything, your device will show you this install option instead of open option here, and I highly recommend to install it again. So probably some problems will be removed. Another thing is to check the let me open it. Another thing is to check the software update. It is also crucial to have the updated version of the system. So let's enter the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to find system and update, and tap on software update. And after that, your device will, after entering this section, your device will check for the updates. And if you've got a new one, I highly recommend to update it, so to download it and apply. I also highly recommend, after all of that, I highly recommend to reset your phone, because your tablet, because it basically, let's say, confirms all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume up button together, just once, something like that, and then just drag this, and then drag this ball to the restart option, and your device will be powered off and then powered on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.